know that, Emma. I know that. I'm talking to Mommy about the fish.
You talking to Mommy about the fish? You love the fish. These fish are in the jungle.
Oh my gosh.
You see them in the jungle?
Oh, look, Emma.
See under the bushes?
Oh, Mommy spies some fish under there.
There they are. They're hiding.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can
Can I look under there too? Oh my gosh, they're under the
They're
in the
under there.
jungle,
They're
under the.
checking out. Oh, here's the big ones coming to say
They
hi.
came to say hi again.
Can you say hi to them?
Say hi, Emma.
Fish.
Hi, fish.
Hi,
Hi, fish. Nice to see you.
Nice to see
I
you.
see tag. I see tag.
What is that?
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's sneaking over.
You're
Sneaking over?
I'm talking to Daddy.
Oh,
You were talking to Daddy?
I by the fish.
Talking to Daddy and to Mommy by the fish, huh? Oh, hi.
About the fish.
Oh, there comes the people.
Where's the people?
There they go.
Hey,